Hey, what up, what up, what up? Got a 2004 Hyundai Sonata with a V6 motor, 2.7 liter. And we're gonna be replacing the alternator tonight, I guess. So let's see, it sits in there like this. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. So you got 2 bolts holding it in. Then you got that connector, that right there. You got an option to connect it on the top or the side, whichever you prefer. And of course, you want to disconnect your negative battery cable. Just following the advice of another video I saw, I just went ahead and took out these tins right here. One on the side, there's another one in the back somewhere, and I just flipped it over, and then you got this right here on the firewall. You got to pull that off with a pry tool, and this ground right here goes up here like that, so don't forget that. Or let me see. That is a 12 millimeter for the top bolt. So your top alternator bolt is gonna be a 12 millimeter. And you can see it right there. I took the belt off because I still got my 3/8 pry tool in there, as you can see. And I just left it hanging right there. I went ahead and took off that 13 millimeter for the positive cable. And then I took off this bracket. There's like it's a 10 millimeter right there, and it's a metal bracket. Look like this. You got another one right there. I just threw them off to the side. And then your other bolt is right down there. Look like a 14. There it is right there. So see where my fingertip is, right there by the CV axle. Let's get you down. I might get that from the bottom. It's probably real easy to get it from down here. I'm gonna just like turn the wheel and take that bolt. So it's basically gonna come out. I take that top bolt, take that bottom bolt off, pry it out, and just take the electrical connect off the back. Maybe I can get it right now. I'll probably do it when I flip it. But that's it though. It's the other video I saw, it was an adjuster bolt right here. You know what I'm saying? Like an adjuster. So it's a different type. And this, I unplugged this right here. This goes to there's a plug that go in right there on the other side. I unplugged that so I can move it. The other end of it right around here somewhere. And then there's another 10 millimeter that go on like that somewhere. But anyways, let me go ahead and take that out. So I actually took that 14 millimeter off right here, and I stuck this to push the bolt out, and then I was able to free it. And so I'm gonna just come right here now. You can see I can grab my electrical connector right here. A lot easier if it would hold still, I guess. But I'm just showing you that yeah, there you go. So I got it right there. So I can see my electrical connector a lot easier now. And I'm gonna just squeeze that, pull it off, and I'm gonna pull it up right here. It'll come out right here. Okay. So I took these little pliers right here and squeezed it right there on the side. That connector look kind of suspect. Cause this look like it's all chewed up. But I basically got it all disconnected, and like you see, if I can just set you up here. Got it kind of tangled up here. And I guess that's the glory moment. It's a boy. So we just want to make sure that it looks identical and the electrical connector is the same, and it is. So just take this off, and then when I install them, then I like to make sure, sometimes right here, you see how this right here is out, like this way. If it's ever in, like, see how, if it ever come this way, you got to hit it right here. So I take like a hammer and a socket, I stick like a screwdriver in here, put it on the end of a socket or something, you know, knock it that way so that it goes on. And I spray lubricant right here so it don't, so it slides on better. But anyway, I'm gonna just drop this down in there. Now, I love jobs that I can just work from the top and I don't have to get underneath the car. Just stay clean that way. But I was able to get it out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put it in. I think that bottom bolt, I'm gonna have to get underneath the car and send it. Yeah, I might have to get underneath it. I don't know. It's look like ain't no way to. There's a little room down there. Oh yeah, I can get. I mean, I can see on the bottom. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway. Anyways, installation gonna be the opposite of the removal. But I think I might be able to do this whole thing from the top. I'm gonna just go slide it in right there. Feel for it right there, and then hopefully do this whole job from the top, and I ain't got to get underneath it. But we ready if we got to though. So I'm underneath. So if you come, they go the alternator right here, right? Yeah. But I guess the easiest way to do this is straight down here and right up here. And there you go right there. That's the bolt. And then you can see the alternator right there. And there go the bolt hole. That's my damn camera not focusing really too well, but there it goes right there. So that's your alternator bolt right there. So it's right there, and then comes out right there. So you might have to you know, do a little but you can see it right here. You got to lift it up a little bit, and you come in right here with your other hand and hold it up, push it up, or whatever you got to do. Okay, so let me put that in there. Yeah, so I was basically to put it back together. It's probably easier to do it from the bottom. You get both your hands in there, take that little shield off, the little dust cover that goes right under the fender liner. That bottom bolt can be a pain in the butt. I had to use the air hammer, or, you know what I'm saying, to push the bolt through, or like, you know what I'm saying, you could just hit it with a punch and a hammer or something like that if, you know, it doesn't want to go through. I had to do that. That's pretty much it though. It's just pretty much it. It's just Installation just opposite of removal. It's just, and that bottom bolt, you really don't have to take it out. Once you get the top bolt out, the bottom bolt, it's actually just like hanging in there. You can actually like lift it up and out with the bottom bolt still in. All you do is just loosen up the nut. That's it. Just loosen up that nut on the bottom one, and you can just lift it up. Once you get that top bolt out, just push it forward, and then boom, lift it up. And that, you know what I'm saying? There's like a little, the top of the, is missing to, for that bolt hole. So you can like actually take the alternator, put the bottom bolt in, and then just like drop it in there. It'll slide right in place, and then push it up, and then put your top bolt in. But it doesn't always work like that. Anyways, that was a 2004 Hyundai Sonata with a V6 2.7 liter alternator replacement. If you like the videos, if it helped you with anything like that, like and subscribe to videos, please. I appreciate you watching. Thanks. Peace.